Hello children, welcome to my English class. Today I will teach you Prose 6 from 0 to infinity. It is a biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Let us learn about him. Srinivasa Ramanujan, 22nd December 1887 to 26 April 1920, was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems considered to be unsolvable. He was born on 22nd December 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family in Erode, Madras Presidency. The Man Who Knew Infinity, A Life of the Genius Ramanujan is a biography of Ramanujan, written in 1991 by Robert Kanigel and published by Washington Square Press. Ramanujan's knowledge of mathematics was extraordinary. One day, when the arithmetic class was in progress, his teacher was solving questions on division. When the teacher asked the students if there were 3 students and 3 bananas, how many each students would get, a smart boy replied that each one would get 1 banana. Then he proceeded to ask if 1,000 bananas are distributed among 1,000 boys, would each one get 1 banana? Ramanujan stood up and asked his teacher, if no banana is distributed among no one, would everyone still get 1 banana? All the other students laughed at the silly question. But the teacher understood his question and explained to the students what he had asked. It was if 0 banana is divided among 0, would each one get 1? The answer would be no. Mathematically, each would get an infinite number of bananas. The boy had asked a question that had taken mathematicians several centuries to answer. From early childhood, it was evident that he was a prodigy. Senior students used to get his assistance in solving math problems. At the age of 13, he began his own research on trigonometry. The book Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics by George Shoebridge Kerr triggered the genius in Ramanujan. He used to do problems on loose sheets and enter the results in notebooks, which are now famous as Ramanujan's frayed notebooks. Although Ramanujan secured a first class in mathematics in the matriculation examination and was awarded the Subramanian Scholarship, he failed twice in his first year arts examination in college as he neglected other subjects such as history, English, and physiology. He searched for job for food and papers to do calculations. The director of Madras Port gave a clerical job to Ramanujan on a monthly salary of ₹25. Ramanujan sent a letter to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy of Cambridge University, in which he set out 120 theorems and formulae, which included the Riemann series. Hardy and his colleague Littlewood realized that they had discovered a rare mathematical genius. They invited him to Britain. Despite the cold weather and food, Ramanujan continued his research with determination in the company of Hardy and Littlewood. Hardy found an unsystematic mathematician in Ramanujan due to his lack of formal education. Ramanujan's achievements include the Hardy-Ramanujan-Littlewood circle method in number theory. As Ramanujan was suffering from tuberculosis, he was sent back to India. Even on his deathbed, he continued to play with numbers so that he could forget his agonizing pain. Ramanujan was also an astrologer and a good speaker. He gave lectures on subjects like God, zero, and infinity. Thus, children, pure mathematicians like Ramanujan just loved to try unsolved problems. They loved a challenge. Thank you.